Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
And then business process. Business process definitions for business object. So here, this option will allow us to find out the existing business process definitions for this particular supervisory organization. So there is a business process called create position. Now it says it is using the default definition. I will quickly check what is the default definition that is used for this particular create position task. So let me see quickly. Okay. So it says okay, location field is mandatory. So this is a validation that it is going to do. A location has to be mandatory, and just there is one step. So it says, if you initiate it, that is it. Right. There are no approvals in this particular case. But now let's say, I want to have an approval for each and every position that I'm going to create. Alright, I need an approval by somebody. So let me do that. So what should I do? I will quickly create the business process definition. Okay, so you don't need to worry about what I'm doing just. It was in sales. So I am in sales right now. I'm going to create a business process definition very quickly for this particular organization. Okay, I won't just say like this. Oops, sorry. Create positions, and just copying the create position business process. Okay. And I will make some modifications on top of it. Just to show you the real flavor, like what happens in real life. So I will add a step. I'll say that, okay, it needs to happen after this, and it is going to be an approval, and the HR partner is going to approve this. Okay. Why have you removed the HR partner? Somebody has changed our partner. Okay, let's say compensation partner. Hopefully that has not been changed. This is weird. Let's put the manager. Anyway, okay, so let's select as manager M. Okay, and today's all right. So now I'm seeing that the manager has to approve. Right. Whenever I'm creating a position, the manager has to approve. Okay, so let's assign. Somebody has a manager first. Otherwise, who will approve? Okay, so let's go to roles. The roles, and we are going to assign roles. You see how I went here? Related actions, roles, assign roles. Okay, and I will assign the role of manager. Is it 14 already? Do we have the option to edit the roles once we assign it? Yes, you have. you have the option to do that. Okay, again the same option, assign roles. Okay, yes, click on assign roles in it. You should have the option. I'm assigning the role of manager to somebody. So many managers. This tenant is becoming a bit dirty. Let's look at the first one. Manager am right. This one looks to be the correct one. Okay, let's assign it to somebody. Let's say I assign it to Sarah Goldstein. Sarah is not part of this organization. So who is this new SJ_Sarah? Let me assign to Susan Steinberg. Have the left any name Joy Banks. Steve Morgan. On leave. Anyway, doesn't matter. So I am assigning the role of manager to Steve Morgan. Alright, I'm just resigning to somebody other than Logan McNeil. Alright, so done. Now this organization has a manager. Okay, and the manager role is assigned to Steve Morgan. Now Logan wants to create a position. How do we create a position? We go to the related actions. We go to staffing. Create position. Please note down this path. First of all, the staffing model has to be position management. Okay, that means we are going to use position management for this organization. In position management, hiring restrictions are set for each position. Correct. We are clear up to this point. For position management, hiring restrictions or the characteristics are set for each position. That means we have to create those positions. How do we create a position? Related actions. And then staffing. Create position. Okay, you may take a screenshot if you want. Related actions. Staffing create position. Okay. So then it asks you, okay, what is a job posting? First of all, it asks you, what is a position request reason? Why are you creating this position? Okay, let's choose from this drop-down options. Let's say we are filling this position because we are going to stuff a new project. Right, a new project is starting. So we are going to fill up that project. That's why we are hiring new people. What is a job posting title? Let's say we are going to say training. That administrator. We're going to hire a person for training. Administrator. How many positions are you going to have? You see, we have to define the number of positions up front right, because you have a lot of control. How many positions we are going to have? Let's say 2. Okay, you can have 200 as well. That is fine. But typically we do not use 200 for these kind of cases. We say 2. Right, I'm just showing you that we can have more than one as well. That's why I'm saying two. So we are going to have 2 training administrators. And then here you have to specify the characteristics, or, as in Workday we call it as hiring restrictions. Now why do we call them as hiring restrictions? Why? What does the word restriction mean? Control conditions apply. Good conditions applied. Control. So that means these restrictions have to be met. Right. These conditions have to be satisfied before you are able to hire someone.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@therateuptalk.com.